Good health isn't just about healthy eating and exercise, it's also about having a positive attitude, a positive self-image, and a healthy lifestyle. 1. Drink more water. Most of us don't drink enough water every day. Do you know over 60% of our body is made up of water? Water is needed to carry out body functions, remove waste, and carry nutrients and oxygen around our body. Since we lose water daily through urine, bowel movements, perspiration, and breathing, we need to replenish our water intake. Furthermore, drinking water helps in losing weight. A Health.com study carried out among overweight or obese people showed that water drinkers lose 4.5 more pounds than a control group. The researchers believe that it's because drinking more water helps fill your stomach, making you less hungry and less likely to overeat. 2. Get enough sleep. When you don't rest well, you compensate by eating more. Usually, it's junk food. Get enough rest and you don't need to snack to stay awake. Also, lack of sleep causes premature aging and you don't want that. 3. Meditate. Meditation quietens your mind and calms your soul. 4. Exercise. Movement is life. Research has shown that exercising daily brings tremendous benefits to our health, including an increase in lifespan, lowering of risk of diseases, higher bone density, and weight loss. Increase the activity in your life. Choose walking over transport for close distances. Climb the stairs instead of taking the lift. Join an aerobics class or a dance class. 5. Pick exercises that you enjoy. When you enjoy a sport, you naturally want to do it. Exercise isn't about suffering and pushing yourself, it's about being healthy and having fun at the same time. Adding variation in your exercises will keep them interesting. What exercises do you like and how can you include them in your routine? 6. Work out different parts of your body. Don't just do cardio, like jogging. Give your body a proper workout. The easiest way is to engage in sports since they work out different muscle groups. Popular activities where you can get a good body workout are trekking, hiking, swimming, basketball, tennis, squash, badminton, yoga, and frisbee. 7. Eat fruits. Fruits have a load of vitamins and minerals. Do you know that oranges offer more health benefits than vitamin C pills? As much as possible, consume your vitamins and minerals through your diet rather than through pills. I eat a variety of fruits every morning and they energize me. Satisfy your palate with these nutritious fruits: banana, papaya, kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, watermelon, rockmelon, honeydew, peach, apple, grapefruit, pomelo, mango, orange. 8. Eat vegetables. Vegetables are the source of many nutrients and minerals like folate, vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, manganese, and potassium, not to mention dietary fiber, which is important for good gut health. There are 2 types of vegetables: starchy vegetables like potato, sweet potato, yam, and pumpkin, and non-starchy vegetables like kale, arugula, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, long beans, tomato, cucumber, and mushroom, technically a fungus. Some vegetables are slightly starchy and hence fall in the middle: corn, green peas, carrot, artichoke, beetroot, cauliflower, and beans, technically legumes. All vegetables are important and enrich our diet. I typically have raw salads for lunch every day with a variety of vegetables, then a cooked dinner with grains, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and other delicious vegetables. You want to have a variety of vegetable intake to strengthen your immune system. 9. Pick different colored fruits, vegs. Always consume a wide variety of fruits and vegetables of different colors. Firstly, fruits and vegetables with different colors represent different antioxidant content, which removes free radicals that damage our cells and fights inflammation in our body. Secondly, when we eat a large diversity of fruits, vegetables, it creates a wide variety of good bacteria in our gut, which creates a strong defense line between us and the environment, improves our immune system, and strengthens our long-term health. Eat fruits, vegetables of different colors: white, bananas, yellow, pineapples, mango, orange, papaya, red, apple, strawberries, raspberries, tomatoes, watermelon, green, avocado, kale, lettuce, cucumber, purple, blue, blackberries, prunes. 10. Cut down on processed food. Processed food is not good because a. Most of the nutritional value is lost in the creation of these foods, and b. The added preservatives are bad for our health. Many processed foods contain a high amount of salt, which leads to higher blood pressure and heart disease. In general, the more ingredients a food has on the label ending with ite or ate, the more processed it is. Go for less processed foods such as a baked potato over chips, fresh fruit over canned fruit, and intact grains over white bread.